Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to insert the Seagate Storage Expansion card into your Xbox Series X. The first step is you want to turn off the Xbox Series X. You do this by just clicking on the Xbox logo, wait for the logo to show no LED. Once that's done, you want to flip your Xbox Series S to the other side. So I'm just going to do it like this. I'm going to do it carefully as I drop the console. And you can see here, we have this storage expansion slot right here. So you're going to have the HDMI, power delivery. In fact, this is Android. I could turn on the flash. You can see storage expansion right there. So the next step is what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to get your Seagate Storage Expansion card. So I'm just going to turn off the flash. You want to get this expansion card, and initially there'll be some plastic on the top. Just gently remove that one. And once you remove that, you just want to slide off this plastic piece here. So I'm just using my thumb and index finger, using my middle finger support, and you can see this plastic protector is removed. So the next step is we need to do some alignment. So let me turn back on the flash. I'm going to show you what to do. So the terabyte icon right here needs to be, in the same orientation as the storage expansion text. So you can see here, 1 terabyte is facing upright and it's facing to the side, and it's facing the same orientation as the storage expansion. Once you've verified this, you just want to push down and make sure the 1 terabyte is at the top. And then you can see a storage expansion. And once you've done this, you've successfully connected your storage expansion card. I'm going to show you a couple of tips and tricks you need to know. But first of all, how to remove the expansion. There's no special way. All you do is you just pull up. So just pull up and you'll be good to go. It does require a lot more force than pulling in. Just keep that in mind. I was thinking about doing a dad joke, but let's just keep it real here. You just pull up and you're out, and then pull down and you are in. So make sure everything clicks into place, and if it doesn't, just make sure that you can't push the terabyte anymore. And once you've done that, you just want to turn on the Xbox Series X, and I'm going to show you some tips and tricks you need to know. Alright, so once the Xbox Series X is on, what you want to do is you want to click on the Xbox logo right here, and then you want to navigate over to My Games and Apps, Seal, and then go to right here, Manage, click on this, Storage Devices, and now you can see your internal storage and your storage expansion card. So the first step is if you want to select it so that all new games will download to your expansion card, you just want to click on this, and then you just want to select it, install here by default, click on this one, and then install new things here. And now all new games you're going to download are going to install to the storage expansion card. The expansion card supports the Series X games as well as all the older games, so just keep that in mind. Any game works on the expansion card. Next thing you want to know is how to move your existing game from the internal storage to the expansion card. You do this by clicking on the internal storage, and you see a move or copy, and then you just select the games you want to move. So let's say I want to move Modern Warfare, and I'm just going to select here, move selected. You can also copy if you want to have, a copy on both storage devices. I don't recommend that. I recommend you click on move selected, and it'll give you your storage devices, and you only have one, which is the expansion card. So I'm going to click on move here, and now it's going to do the process of moving the game from my Xbox Series X internal storage to my Seagate expansion card. So the speed of the SSD is the exact same. So the internal storage versus expansion card, they're both going to give you the same speed. Really, it's just extra storage at the same speed. So what I recommend you do is you fill up your internal storage first, then you fill up your expansion card. For the end of the day, you can do whatever you want because it's your expansion card and not mine. But that's what I'm going to be doing personally, as this is my personal Xbox Series X. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.